We rolling?
Yeah.
Alright, it's November 22nd, and it's 54 degrees, and we're out here rifle hunting. Just to get an idea of what we're doing, we're in the back of a cove hunting some Corps of Engineer property in Arkansas, and yeah, let's see what we get into. Go the wrong way. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's up to you, bro. Up to you. What do you think? Alright. Alright, Ben. Good shot, bro. Good shot. Bang, boy. Let's go. Meat in the freezer.
Yes, sir. That's right. That's right. Good shot. Good shot, baby.
It's a pretty good size doe.
Heck yeah. Look at that thing.
I knew there had to be one following that little one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you get some good footage of
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that was good. That was good stuff. Good shot. Boom. seen us or nothing.
She would have known if she smelled us or seen us.
So, yeah. But, nope. Got a dead deer. Great freaking place in here. Nice little flat. Yeah, the fifth deer. Got a little scrape. Right down there. The lake's just right through there. But we got some work to do here in a minute. We got a long ways to the truck, so.
Watch it. Kind of the setup here. We're in like a thick pine thicket, and there's hardwoods up above, and we're like kind of right on the transition of that. They like to come down off this hill or that direction onto this transition right through here, right on that habitat edge of pine trees and hardwoods.
Yep.
And I mean that's proof right there. We've had 5 deer and they've all been right here.
Yep.
And it's only 7:30.
Yeah, something like that. That's crazy. That's crazy.
I might call the wire.
Okay.
Tell them we got more.
Couldn't be any better.
But there you go. That's it. Now we got a whopping probably 800 yards, a walk there, and a walk back, and then a drag. So yeah, it'll be pretty fun. Right there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 yards.
We got a long drag back, but here we are.
Yep. Such a strong man. Look at it. Dang, boy. Dang, boy.